I've got some big news for you. You can win a free Tesla from an actual exchange, not some scammy Twitter post that you found online. From an actual crypto exchange that I'm sponsored by, Mexc. They're hosting a futures competition contest. You can participate to win a Tesla Model free by just crypto trading. There's a bunch of rewards. Rate of return rank competition, share up to $30,000 in the prize pools. There's so many interesting things, and the cool thing is they actually have all the hottest tokens. For example, if you are into ApeCoin, you can buy it for against Tether on Mexc. And I just want to get this video out there as fast as possible. If you want to participate, the link for that is in the description down below. If you appreciate the effort, if you want to see more videos just like this, subscribe, because my enemies are coming and told me, Niki, you better get 50k subscribers, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. This video is no financial advice. Bye.